Hey, hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download a website information or details or data um, by using FileZilla. It's really easy. The first step to download the websites, all the content of website, is to go to your hosting provider. In my case, I'm using GoDaddy. So in your case, it could be SiteGround, HostGator, Hostinger, any of provider. Just simply go to your hosting and then look for the SFTP details or FTP details, because by using these details we're gonna visit all the information of our website. In case of GoDaddy, I can tell you, just simply click on manage and go to settings, and there you're gonna find out this section which is called SFTP details. Just view these details, and in case of other providers it's also same. Okay, and if you don't know where you can find out these details, you can ask them. They're gonna tell you. Simply just copy these details and put here. In my case it's SFTP. In your case it could be FTP or FTPP, any other option. Okay, just write down here and make sure you are using FileZilla client, not server. So make sure you are having FileZilla client. After this port information, username details, this password, that's it, and quick connect, and it will be connecting now. It can take some time, depends upon your internet connection. So it's connected, and that's it guys. This is how you connect to your hosting provider. Now what's the next step? Here you can see this is all my website's details which I'm assessing. Now if I want to download this, just simply click on the folder which whatever you want to download, and right click on it and click on the download. That's it. That's all you have to do, or you can simply drag this information. Thank you so much for this video. In this video, that's it. If you're still having any issue, you can ask me in comment sections or on social media. Links will be in description, and article regarding this will be in description too. You can check out that too. Thank you so much. Bye, take care, have fun.